Today we will learn about the concept of atomic number and mass number. Atomic number, it is the number of protons present inside the nucleus of an atom. Whereas mass number, it is the number of protons and neutrons present inside the nucleus of an atom. Atomic number is also equivalent to the number of electrons. We write mass number as a superscript on up left and atomic number as a subscript on down left. Here A denotes mass number, Z denotes atomic number, and X is any element. For example, Na, an element, its atomic number is 11 and 23 is representing its mass number. Based on your understanding, can you tell me how many electrons, protons and neutrons are present in sodium? Do comment me in the comment section. This is your homework.